Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad. Your purchase could not be completed. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone setting. Then tap on Apple ID banner name. Then scroll it down. What you need to do is sign out your Apple ID at least the 13 second. You have again sign in. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll it down. Tap on screen time. Scroll it down. Then tap on content and privacy restriction. Then tap on iTunes and App Store purchase. From here, in app purchase, then tap on this. From here, what you need to do is select allow. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the method doesn't work, then go back your home screen and open your again iPhone setting. Then tap on Apple ID banner name. Tap on media and purchase. Then tap on view account. Wait some second. From here, tap on manage payment. From here, you can see payment method. What you need to do is update your payment method. After update your payment method, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.